Indus Valley Civilization. Part 1. History of Towns in India. It was in 19th century, transportation by railways had started, led to the discovery of first Indus Valley Civilization in Punjab province, which is now in Pakistan, called Sindh. The civilization came into light like this. In 1856, Sir John Hubert Marshall gave instructions to lay ballast lines for railways.
Make way for railway lines quickly.
Hey, I found some old bricks. We can use it in ballast laying. We should inform Sir, I think.
So, in that way, Sir John Hubert was amazed and he first found the Indus Valley Civilization in Sindh. The past of India goes back several thousand years ago. We learn about it from our ancestors have left behind. Even when the paper was not made, we get evidence from dried palm leaves, potteries, weapons, clay tablets, copper plates, etc. were found during excavation. They tell us about life and culture of those times. Discovery in recent times have contributed significantly in knowing the past. One such significant contribution is from sites at Harappan and Mohenjo-daro in year 1920. The credit goes to Dayaram Sahani, R.D. Banerjee and John Marshall. Excavations done at sites tell us about life and culture that flourished around 3500 BC on bank of river Indus and Saraswati, which was dried and lost. Many civilizations were found on vast plain of river Saraswati. Therefore, sites are also known as Indus-Saraswati civilization. Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization that was located in northwestern region of Indian subcontinent. Many Harappan civilization was spread over many parts of India, including Baluchistan, Sindh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, and lastly Jammu and Kashmir. There are more than 1500 sites, but the important ones are found near river Indus. Harappa found in 1920, then Kalibangan in northern Rajasthan, Mehergarh in Baluchistan, Mundi Gak in South Afghanistan, Dump Sadat in Quetta Valley in Baluchistan, Kot Diji located at river Indus, Gumla in Gomal Valley, Amli near river Indus, Dholavira, Lothal and Rahman Dheri. Now let's look at the broad classification of three phases of Indus Valley civilization. From period 3300 to 2600 BCE, early Harappan civilization was found. These were characterized by semi-rural phase with handmade pottery. Potter wheel was also available. Writing emerged over entire Indus region, where we can find clay tablets and seals. From 2600 to 1900 BCE, mature Harappan civilization was found. This was the peak of Harappan civilization, also known as the Golden Period. This time, the civilization was flourishing. Stratification of society had been made, granary was built in this period, and there were influx of merchants and craftsmen. Lastly, 1900 to 1400 BCE was known for its decline, called as Late Harappan Civilization. It was characterized by overpopulation. There were loss of script and weights, then decay of civilization due to internal parameters. Now let's look at the town planning and layout of settlements. It reflects their exemplary construction skill. These towns are planned on gridiron pattern. Roads are at 90 degrees to each other. The city is divided into upper and lower part. Upper part consists of a citadel. A citadel is a fortified structure designed to protect people in war and calamity. It consists of granaries, great bath, and other religious buildings, workshops. Then lower part consists of dwellings. Whenever city is attacked by floods, inhabitants reach to citadel and they found refuge. Granary was important as agriculture has been found in this civilization, so large amount of grains were stored in granary, which is a part of citadel. Its dimensions is 45 meter in length and it is 15 meter wide. It has brick circular platform for pounding grains. Indus Valley civilization, popularly known for its swimming pool. One such was Great Bath, with its dimensions 7 meter by 12 meter. It exhibits their great engineering skills. It has well-defined slopes. This structure has outlets to drains and connected to a large well for incoming water. There were changing rooms around it too. Talking about drains, water and slope, archaeological findings suggest that there was a network of clay pipelines beneath the streets for hygiene purposes, connecting to main drain channel in between the road. It was covered with large stone or brick and they were cleaned every day. The drains had a corbelled arch. Many of the houses where wealthy merchants had lived, they had their own private wells too. Talking about the height, it was 1 to 2 stories high with a central courtyard and it was 10 meter wide road. Dwellings was constructed from sun-dried bricks and wood were used in roofs and beams, also in doors. Like a central courtyard is used to perform daily activities in open and drains are beneath the road. Evidence showed that there were more private wells than public wells. Bathroom located inside the houses next to the well. Images and figurines on seals indicates domestication of animals like cow, goat and dog. These pictures suggest the reality and on-site images of the same. Dholavira has 16 reservoirs. Dholavira has 16 reservoirs which were absent in other civilizations. Knowing more about artifacts and their culture, both men and women were fond of ornaments. Men wore amulets, women wore bracelets and necklaces made of beads and shell. Gold and silver were also used. They also had a system of weights and measures which were well developed at that time. They were cubical and spherical in shape and they were made of jest and jasper. Small clay carts found in toys indicates that bullock carts were used for agriculture and traveling. On the basis of terracotta figurines, seals and metal figures, conclusion can be drawn that they were worshippers of Mother Goddess, which were part of their religion, and also traits of later Hinduism such as Pashupati Shiva and sacred animals were found. Harappan people were also excellent craftsmen. The most famous bronze dancing girl was discovered in Mohenjo-daro. Small clay carts, painted jars reflected their skill and interest in art. The Harappan people developed great skill in pottery, designed with flowers, snakes, animals, and painted it red and black in color. The site plan of 4 major sites of Indus Valley civilization indicates the areas of each. The largest of all is Mohenjo-daro, which is 60 hectare with a population of 40,000. Not all sites are same in town planning. Kalibangan depicts open drainage unlike Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Dholavira has 16 reservoirs depicting water harvesting skills, seeing the climate of Gujarat. The Harappan culture lasted for more than 1,000 years. The world's earliest urban civilization came to an end around 1300 BC. Natural calamities like floods, terrible epidemic diseases, and attack by wild animals are the suspected reasons for the